In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Perplexity AI for market research. This is gonna be the ultimate guide. Before you begin, before you do anything, make sure to turn on this web search feature because this is gonna be allowing you to search the most real-time data online available. So once you have that ready, you're gonna be searching in here for that. You can see, um, yeah, we got this turned on, and then in here you're gonna be searching for latest market trends. So now you're going to be defining your market, right? So let's just say it is crypto market, or maybe it is some e-commerce market. So you can search for crypto market. It's going to be searching the latest information. Not only that, it's going to be providing you graphics as well. So this is one big of nice result we got here. You can see the Bitcoin jumping and simply going up and down. So we got it $107,370 for Bitcoin. You can change the coin and stuff, and yeah, you can check the sources from where it gathers the data, and now you can use all of these sites to get more information. So the more information you grasp, the better in combined results you're going to be getting. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.